Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American Pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt Part-Time Pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Big Buff, Buffalo Pickers? Yeah, him in Glass City and Mess Hall Digs, and sometime I'm on there at the end of the month. He gets his shows on every Friday. Defend the Hustle, y'all. Have you ever heard of my boy Big D, Fundamentals of the Side Hustle, with him and Regina Michelle? I don't know why I keep trying to say her name different, but that's my girl. Yeah, have you ever heard of they shows on Wednesdays? It's called Hump Day Hangout. Yeah, y'all check them out. Have you ever heard of Shar? Have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of my boy from North Carolina or South Carolina, wherever he's from? My boy, the Golf Club King. Yeah, Casey. Yeah, the Carolina Picker. Yeah, he was a Carolina Hustler. He changed his name. Have you ever heard of my boy, Big Louis and Louis from Louis is from California and Louis is from Texas. Yeah, the Lone Star Picker and Louis the Cali Reseller. Yeah, have you ever heard of them? They got shows on Monday. I don't know what the hell they do, but I was on there before too. But anyway, y'all, this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I keep getting complaints about people, telling me to, quit advertise for other people, but I don't give a damn what y'all say. I'm gonna keep on advertising for whoever I want to advertise for. I'm passing along information so you can learn. That's it. When you go to these people and you listen to their shows, they teach you things. So if you're watching my channel, my YouTube channel, and I tell you, and I mention somebody, I just want you to go check out their shows so you can learn something. I don't care what you thinking. You don't have to listen to it. Fast forward it, and then when you can get to what I sold or what I picked up. But fast forward it. But I'm gonna still say what I want to say. Anyway, y'all, how y'all doing? Sorry, I had to get that out the way. Sorry about that. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to turn y'all around to show y'all what I picked up this weekend. Well, not this weekend. When was it? Thursday? This is stuff I picked up on Thursday. I'm behind, y'all. This stuff I picked up last Thursday, November the whatever it was, the 23rd, 24th, I don't know, whenever it was. I mean, not November. I'm talking about November, September. But anyway, y'all, let me turn y'all around to show you what I got. I showed one of these items on Buffalo show on Friday, but let me show you what I got. Okay, y'all. First of all, I got the Sony Mivica camera. See that? It's $10. I had this Mivica before. What it does, it takes little CDs. Anyway, you put a little CD in there and it records. I had this before. This was one of the first cameras I bought. And I used to go on vacation with my kids and stuff, and we took pictures. But it ain't worth number $50. But see that $10? It's 75% off at Goodwill. So that's why I picked it up. I ain't getting up to like $40 to $50 for that. Okay, let me set that out the way. Okay, y'all. Next, it's laminator. I paid $3 for it. I can sell it for $29. I gotta see if it worked first, but laminators are always good to buy, especially this company right here, Libico, whatever that is. I never could say the name, but this is about the third one I done sold. They're real good, especially the little ones like this. They're real good to buy. You can laminate pictures or whatever in the little bitty thing. This is a Sony Handycam. I forgot how much I paid for that. I think I paid $5 for this. This selling on eBay. It's got everything in here. The Sony Handycam, the number is CDTR or something, 96. It's got everything in there. Charger, remote control, everything. So, this selling for in between $95 and $129. I think I'm putting it on there for $199. I'm putting some. That's why it's good, y'all. It's good to buy 8mm. When you see the 8mm, let me turn y'all around. Anything kind of media that you see, buy it. Any kind of media, CDs, DVRs, little DVR CDs, um, 8mm, whatever you see, buy it, because when you find this stuff, you can group it up with it and put it with it, and get it, and make it look better on the picture. Plus, you probably get a little bit more money for it because you got the tapes and stuff like that. Some of these people don't have these tapes. Some of these people don't have the CDs like that. Mivica take these little CDs. I got some, so I'm gonna lot it up with that. So I can, to me, I can add a little bit more money onto it, like $10 more or whatever, $15 more, whatever it is. I could do that. Okay, let me turn y'all back around. Okay, next up, y'all, I got this iron tape to PC. I sold like 2 of these before. You see, I paid $5 for it. I sold like 2 of these before. They sell real good. And what it is, you plug this up to your PC. You could put a tape in there, and it'll transfer over to your PC. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one or not, though. I don't know, because I got thousands of tapes. So I don't know. I'm undecided. I sold the rest of them. They're selling for over $100. Next up, y'all, this a Nova pressure cooker, and I never seen one of these before, so I had to watch a video to see what it does, because it say pressure cooker. So I wanted to see what it does. I said right there, y'all. And this thing is kind of incredible. Let me show you how much I paid for it first. I paid $5 for this. Okay. It's Bluetooth. You can work it with your phone. Put the temperature on the phone. And what you do with this, you hook it to a pot or whatever you want to put it in. Most of the time it's a big pot. Fill it up with water. It's a water line on this silver thing right here. Fill it up with water. Put the timer on, and you put like a steak or something like that. You season it. You put it into like a Ziploc bag, and it boils the water and it cooks it through the water. And they say the steaks or whatever you cook is so moist, and they never lose their size or nothing because you boiling it with water, and the water never touch it. The water is cooking it, and it cooks it at the perfect temperature. And I don't know. I might try it out for $5, but it's selling for $80 on eBay. I'm sorry, between $59 and $80 on eBay. I might try it out first before I sell it. I might try to do some chicken or something in there, because I don't eat beef that much like I used to. My wife. Okay, y'all. Let me put that out the way. That's big. This wingman right here, I paid $5 for it. It ain't selling. It's selling for $19 on eBay. I'm kind of disappointed in it. It's a PC controller, handheld controller. I don't know what to say about that. I probably lost it. I probably just let my son have that. He played PC games. I probably just let him take care of that. Okay, I paid 50 cents a piece for these twin pivot plus razor. They were $1. They gave me half off. I'm gonna put these on Amazon. I'm gonna lot them up in twos because that's the way they sell them, for $17 for 2. So I got 10 of them. So that's 5 times 17, whatever that is. I can't count right now. 5 times 17, whatever that is. This is I looked up and found this for $8. This is Ultimate Lifesaver. You can make over 1,000 combinations of lifesavers with this. I paid $8 for it. This thing selling on eBay for $89 to like 110 or whatever it is. I don't know. I'm about to go through it because you see somebody taped it up with masking tape. So I'm gonna go through it and put batteries in it, see if it work. I'm gonna ask whatever price. I'm gonna ask the full price for that, whatever it is. Okay, and the winner for today, y'all, is the Sony. Sorry, y'all. The Sony synthesized world band receiver. All this is shortwave radio. But this thing, y'all, let me show you how much I paid for this. $3.99. This thing selling from anywhere between $120 to $180 on eBay. Okay. I sold shortwave radios before, but I never sold a portable one like this. It's got the original plug and everything. Look, Sony plug. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what to tell y'all. This is one of the best sellers right here. I mean, not the best sellers, the best pickups that I had this week. Like I said, this video is for September the 24th or whatever last Thursday was. I still got stuff that I need to make videos of that I picked up on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, whatever. But I just wanted to put this one out there because it's got the best stuff. Let me turn y'all back. Yeah, y'all. That's the stuff that I picked up on last Thursday. I'm getting ready. I already listed a couple of these items, but I'm getting ready to list the rest of them this morning. This is, whatever day this is. I don't know. What the hell? Who cares? Who cares what the day is? We out hustling. We don't give a damn. But I'm getting ready to list this right now. I already listed several of these items. I'm getting ready to list the rest of them so I can move on to Friday. What I picked up on Friday, and that's the way we do it. I'm a couple of days behind on my listings, on my days listings, so I caught up to this Thursday stuff. But anyway, y'all, like I said before, y'all check these other channels out. It's more that I could have said, but I kind of cut it short. I was going a little long on it. I had like 50 people I was naming, but I'm still gonna do it. I don't care. Y'all don't want to do those. Just don't listen. Fast forward. You can fast forward on YouTube. Fast forward if you don't want to listen to me announce, because I'm gonna do it. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I've been reselling on eBay since 2002. I've been on Amazon for 2 weeks now. I made 2 sales, whatever. But I'm gonna keep going because I got like probably 100 items listed on there now. That's probably why I'm behind on loading this stuff, because I've been loading stuff on Amazon. Hey, I don't care. I've been getting a whole lot of traffic on Amazon. Since I've been on there, I got like 18,000 visits or some crap. So it's been a whole lot of traffic. Nobody just been buying. I don't care. I'm gonna keep on doing it until if I don't make no sales, probably in another month and a half, I'm at to drop back and just do my natural eBay stuff. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and all I got to say is that support your reseller community, and I don't know what to say, but this is Kevin from St. Louis, and we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Peace.